Hello ladies and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. The problem of dark circles isn't alien to both men and women. And when they occur, we feel dreadful and awful. Don't worry, you are not the only one who is faced with this problem. Some of the most stunning celebrities of the world have encountered this problem at the same point in time and have had to resort to makeup and concealers to hide these dark circles. Since the skin around the eyes is sensitive, it's best to resort to natural remedies rather than chemicals-based products to treat these problems. So, here's a simple and easy home remedy that can help breathe a new lease of life around your eyes. Potato. Potatoes are a great natural remedy for reducing dark circles because they contain a variety of nutrients that promote healthy skin. For example, potatoes are high in vitamin C, which helps to boost collagen production and promote healthy skin. Potatoes have a cooling effect on the skin, which can help to reduce swelling and under eye bags. Cornstarch. Corn contains vitamins A, D, C, and more. Out of these, vitamins A and C help get rid of stubborn dark spots and patches on the skin. Cornstarch removes dark circles around the eyes and helps in tightening eye wrinkles and mouth area because it contains a lot of vitamins, especially vitamin A, which remove dark circles under the eyes, and this also helps you to treat eye swelling and puffiness. Green tea contains caffeine and tannins, which help to shrink inflamed blood vessels around the eyes and helping to reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffy eyes. Well, let's get started. Grate a potato and squeeze out the juice from it using a strainer. Well, we need 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of green tea, and potato juice. Mix cornstarch and green tea together and add the potato juice until you get this texture. Mix well. You can put it in a container and keep it in the fridge. Now, keep it in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes and apply it using your hands. Let it stay for around 15 minutes and rinse off with cold water. Try it every day for best results. You will get an amazing results from the first week. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. And thank you so much for watching.